Hello, today we are going to talk about Shriram Housing Finance Home Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Shriram Housing Finance Loan. Applicant age should be between 21 year to 65 year for salaried, 21 year to 70 year for self-employed. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 650. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount of rupees 10 lakh to 1 crore. Tenure will be 5 years to 20 years. Login fees will be 3,540 if loan is up to 50 lakhs and 5,900 if loan less than 50 lakhs. Rate of interest will be 11.50% to 13% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 7 days for sanction and 2 days for disbursement within 2 days after submission of complete documents. Insurance charges will be 1% to 4%. Foreclosure charges will be 0. Part payment is 3 years for self-employed person. Home loan OD product is 12 months. Processing fee will be 1% of the loan amount. Products are fresh purchase, plot purchase, construction, BT plus top-up, home renovation, seller BT. Co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage should be 2 years. Job experience for salaried person should be 1 year. Experience with current employer should be 1 month. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Shriram Housing Finance Home Loan cash salary is also considered, pension also considered, 50% of pension, DPDD are also considered. Location is 45 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are real estate cash salary. Negative property are unapproved 4th floor and above, unapproved freehold property where any authority belongs, basements. There is no specific product for professionals. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant if company or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.